Welcome to Tai Chi Flow. As always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect, just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image and you can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen, just taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands, and as you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine, abdominal breathing. Just breathing in and breathing out, arriving in the body. Coming into the present moment, letting go of all the worries from the day. Coming into the here and now. Then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment, and then let it out with a big sigh, just letting out tension and stress. The hands can float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it right into the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Taking as many breaths as you need. Moving nice and slow. One more time, sink the chi. Then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front to about shoulder height. The arms get heavy, floating down. The knees and hips soften. Breathing in like mist rising from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. We call this opening the door, the start of the journey. One more time, rising up, softening down. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, and then floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders and the chest, decompressing the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. And then from here, reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, the palms face each other right in front of the heart. And as you breathe in, the hands open slightly. As you breathe out, they come back towards each other. This time, breathe in, open a little bit more. Breathing out, this time big open, big breath. Accordion breathing. We'll do another round, starting small, and then a little bit bigger, and then big open, big breath. One more round, accordion breathing, starting small, breathing in, breathing out, this time a little bit bigger, and then big open, big breath. And then from here, the arms float down, they drift out to the sides, then the hands float down, fingertips point up. The hands float all the way up and over, and then they spiral out and away, the upward spirals. Breathing in, rising up, breathing out, circulating the energy and blood flow throughout the body, improving the circulation. One more time, upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms, coming all the way up and over, fingertips point down, coming down the center, the hands spiral out and away. The downward spirals, softening down towards the earth. One more time. And then circle in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the fingers point down as you dip down towards the earth. Then the hands come forward all the way up and over, and then down in front of the body. Digging in the garden. Just coming down as much as you can comfortably, rising back up. One more time. Digging in the garden. And then reverse direction with the hands, floating up and over, out and down, as we harvest from the garden, enjoying the fruits of our labor. All right, one more time. Harvesting from the garden. And then round out the arms as if you're hugging a big tree right out in front. Step one foot in a little bit closer. Then shift all your weight over to one side. Draw the hands in towards the heart and step in. Step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Shift back as you draw the hands in and then push forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. We're taking as many breaths as you need. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, palms face each other. The hands go out to the corner, palms face away from each other. They open, circling out and around, scooping under, and then back out to the corner, parting the clouds. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time. And then step the front foot back in. The hands come back in towards the heart. Shift the weight and step in. Step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Just taking your time, feeling the sensations. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, palms face each other. The hands go out to the corner, palms face away from each other. They open, circling out and around, scooping under, back out to the corner, parting the clouds. Breathing in, and breathing out one more time. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree, and soften. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, the other one on top as you embrace the moon. Bottom hand floats up overhead, the other hand down by the hip. Circle it around again, just the arms again. Bottom hand comes up, and then leaning over to the side going up. Coming back to center. This time as the bottom hand comes up, the opposite foot can touch down in front, tapping down the toes. Step back in, catch the moon. Step back out, white crane spreads wings. All right, one more time. This time we'll catch the moon and then spin the moon. So reversing direction, bottom hand comes up, the other hand comes down. Circle it around again. Once again, just the arms. Bottom arm comes up, leaning over to the side going up. This time as the bottom hand comes up, the opposite foot can touch down in front, tapping down the toes. Step back in, catch the moon. Step back out, white crane spreads wings. Breathing in, breathing out. All right, one more time. White crane spreads wings. This time we'll catch the moon. The arms open up wide, then making two loose fists. One fist goes behind the neck, the other behind the lower back, gently turning, coming back to center, turning the other way, drawing sabers. Gentle rotation, never forcing it, just easing in. All right, one more time. Breathing in, breathing out. This time both arms reach up overhead, floating all the way down. Circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open up wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon, and then step right out to the side. And as you step out, the bottom hand tosses the moon right off into the sky. The other hand floats down. And then circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane. All right, one more time, breathing in, breathing out. And this time, as you catch the moon, step in. And then we're going to swing the axe right overhead. And then step out to the side as you chop the wood. And then step back in, catch the moon, swing the axe overhead, step out, the monk chops wood. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. And then from here, sit back. This hand here floats across the horizon. Take your time as you step in, catch the moon, step out to the other side. As you step out, the bottom hand tosses the moon right off into the sky. The other hand floats down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane, creating tranquility out of chaos. One more time. This time we'll catch the moon, step in, and then swing the axe overhead, step out, and chop the wood. Circle it around again, catch the moon, take your time, swing the axe, the monk chops wood. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. And then sit back, this time hug the tree, bring it to center, You can step the feet parallel to each other, nice and soft. Both arms drift over to the side and down, then just drifting side to side. Nice gentle sway, like tall grass in the breeze. Then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the toes right out in front. Bring them back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the toes. This time tap the toes, the opposite hand dips down into the sea as you hinge from the hips, keeping the spine long. Coming back up, other side, the needle at the sea bottom. Tap the toes, opposite hand into the sea. You don't have to go very low. It's a nice gentle stretch. Other side, just hinging from the hips, keeping the spine nice and long. One more time, the needle at the sea bottom. And then step back in, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the palms face up as we gather the seeds. Then we'll plant the seeds into the earth. The hands come down the center as you soften down. The hands brush out to the sides. Coming back up the center to gather some more seeds and then planting them into the earth. Breathing in, breathing out. Or taking as many breaths as you need. One more time, planting seeds. And then circle the arms all the way in front, hugging the tree. From here, both arms drift over to the side and down, and then floating up to shoulder height. One hand makes an arrow, the other draws the bow, and then soften down. Rising back up, release the bow, other side. The other hand makes an arrow, draw the bow, soften down. And this time you can do it all together, draw the bow as you soften down. One more time, we call this the archer. And then release, circle all the way in front, hug the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, both arms drift over to the side and down, making two loose fists. One fist overhead, the other by the waist. And then switching sides, leaning over to the side going up. And if you like, you can gently turn. The tiger hugs its head. This time you can lift your foot if you like, touching down as needed. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the tiger hugs its head. And then from here, both arms reach up overhead, floating all the way around. This time, hug the tree right out in front. Step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the hands come together in front of the heart as you soften down. The fingertips guide the way out to the side, then they go out to the other way. The dragon pierces the clouds. Just going side to side, nice and easy, gentle rotation. Breathing in and breathing out. Feeling the sensations, moving mindfully. All right, one more time, the dragon pierces the clouds. And then release, round out, hugging the tree, bring it right to center. Step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Creating focus and clarity, calming the heart and the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Then circle the hands in front, gather in the energy, bring it right into the heart for loving kindness and self-compassion. The hands float down. One more time, open the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so lightly. Bamboo in the wind. Feeling all the sensations that arise in the body. Feel the body breathing all by itself. You don't have to do a thing. Just being here is enough. And then bringing your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can float down by the sides, just taking a moment to notice how you feel. And you can continue to stand or you can have a seat, and we'll finish with our poem of the day. Today's poem is one that I made called The Flow Within. In the stillness, a river flows, an open heart where compassion grows. A gentle shift to feel inside, the flow within, a gentle tide. The earth beneath, the sky above, roots us down and lifts our love. Moving slow, the heart takes flight, a dance with shadows, embracing light. From seed to bloom, through gentle sway, we find ourselves along the way. Together we stand as the journey starts. Tai Chi connects both mind and hearts. Thanks so much for watching. Click right here to watch our flute music video of the day to complete your practice. Also, this video is part of our free program, Harmony 30 Days of Tai Chi. Click right here to get your free clickable calendar and all the details.